Refreshing dry fig cold drink recipe. Introduction. Looking for a unique and refreshing twist to your usual cold drinks? Try this recipe for a delicious cold drink made with dry figs. Packed with natural sweetness and a hint of earthy flavor, this beverage is perfect for hot summer days or whenever you need a revitalizing pick-me-up. Let's dive into the recipe, shall we? Ingredients: 10 to 12 dry figs, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, optional, ice cubes, fresh lemon slices, for garnish. Instructions. 1. Soak the dry figs. Start by soaking the dry figs in a bowl of water for about 30 minutes. This will soften them and make them easier to blend. 2. Blend the soaked figs. After soaking, drain the figs and transfer them to a blender. Add a cup of water and blend until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. If necessary, add more water to reach your desired texture. 3. Strain the mixture. Strain the blended mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a pitcher to remove any remaining fig particles. This step will ensure a smooth and silky texture for your cold drink. 4. Sweeten to taste. Taste the strained fig mixture for sweetness. If desired, add honey to enhance the natural sweetness of the figs. Stir well until the honey is fully dissolved. 5. Chill and serve. Place the pitcher of strained fig mixture in the refrigerator to chill for at least an hour. This will allow the flavors to meld and the cold drink to become more refreshing. 6. Serve with ice and garnish. Once chilled, fill glasses with ice cubes and pour the cold fig drink over them. Garnish with fresh lemon slices to add a tangy twist. 7. Enjoy responsibly. Sip and savor this unique cold drink made with dry figs. Remember to drink responsibly and stay hydrated. Final note. While this cold fig drink recipe offers a delightful alternative to your usual cold beverages, it is important to note that the taste may not be everyone's cup of tea. The earthy flavor of figs might not be to everyone's liking, so it's always a good idea to taste test before serving to a larger audience. So, grab your blender and get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this refreshing dry fig cold drink. Cheers! The Ultimate Guide to Healthy Food Trends by Afsan Farms Kitchen AFK. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips.